Federal Reserve because so far they have been able to obviously manipulate the system. But you also have to remember that the consumer behavior plays a great role in this, and people, the foreigners, are believing in the system. As soon as we start having the foreigners, especially China and Russia, losing their faith in the U.S. dollar, given the currency war that we're faced with, the whole game is going to be changed.
But that's another thing, is thinking about it globally.
Manufacturing to continue, so they're going to keep propping this up because they want to get their product. That's all it has to buy.
I've been to China recently, and they are in the midst of one of the biggest bubbles ever created. It's a government-mandated bubble, and government-mandated bubbles can go a lot longer and a lot bigger than a free market bubble. We don't actually have a free market in the United States. Ever since the Federal Reserve was created, they control interest rates, and this small group of men decides, the FOMC committee decides what interest rates are going to be and the quantity of currency there's going to be in the system. Well, that means that they're manipulating 1/2 of every transaction, because 1/2 of every transaction is the currency that you're buying something with. And so therefore you don't have a free economy. It's not a free market. It's a manipulated, centrally planned market. If central planning worked, then Russia would have come out. Russia, if you study the history of the USSR, it was a very scientifically planned economy. I mean, they had top-notch economists and scientists trying to figure out how to work everything. The unintended consequences were horrific, and it's the reason that a centrally planned economy does not work. It always fades into history. There's unintended consequences, and after a while, too many of these things build up and the whole economy just implodes. That's what happened to them. So.
It would be an impossibility that this is a coincidence. The only reason the stock market is up is because of this gift to Wall Street that Ben Bernanke created. The coming charts here, they should scare the hell out of anybody that is not a precious metals investor. We are in the Bernanke bubble, and it's going to be followed by the Bernanke bust, and Janet Yellen is left to do the cleanup work after this bust is over.